Morning, this is Rick from Medusa Leicester, and today we've got a Range Rover Sport in 2013 to 2017 model. And what we've done is took the center console, heater control and radio module, well not radio module but radio button, out of the original 2013-2017, which is that one, and we've converted it to this one, which is the 2018 onwards. So if we switch the car on, you can see now that we've got a aftermarket Android display, which is similar to the 2018 onwards center console. So radio button works as standard. Turn off. We've got on the heating controls. You've got the controls for the heated seats still there, hot and cold seats, which are still present. You've got climate. I've not actually played with everything, but as you can see, all these functions, auto, seats, heater fan speed, climate control, hot and cold seats, all the functions still work. You've also got the eject button for the CD. As you can see, please insert disc at the top, so that still functions as well. And then you've got the hazard warning lights, which works as well. So a really good upgrade for the 2013 to 2017 Range Rover Sport L494. We have these in stock, we fit them on site, only takes just over an hour to do. If you want this doing, please give us a call or go to our website and you can get our contact details. Thanks.